You understand? So me ask you a question and then think so if we get justice for TJ Moya.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Reason with
Yeah.
me. Reason with
Yeah.
me. You know think say justice for TJ Moya.
Yeah, me feel like something for come out tight, you know.
You
It
feel like
don't
something
work
for come
out.
out time. Me say if you think there's supposed to be justice for TJ and Moya, and when you say think something for come out tight, what you think should be done?
No, what
You as a person.
you mean justice? That what you mean?
You don't take your phone.
Eh?
Take your phone. You have a second phone.
Bro, me know what justice mean, but what kind of justice?
So if you know what justice means, how are you gonna ask me what kind of justice?
Bro, you have different type of justice, bro. You know, like you have some type of justice with Jones.
No. You talk to your friend them like that. Justice are justice. No talk to me, so. Talk to your peers them like that, not me. Justice are justice. It has one meaning and it's spelled one way.
Alright,
what kind of
justice? What kind of me don't know what justice is. So
Alright then. What you think? Since you said there are different type of justice, what the type of justice you think a situation like this deserves?
Not revenge because somebody go end up in a jail.
No, nobody said revenge. Who said revenge? You just said that.
Yeah, it can't be that type of justice, bro.
So why would your justice be revenge?
Because some
the situation has already happened and it's beyond everybody. Why you think the justice to be revenge?
No, I'm telling you, my justice, and that's why I say you have different type of justice.
Apparently you don't know the meaning of justice.
So me don't.
You just told me you know the meaning, but really and truly you don't know the meaning.
Yeah, so me don't. Alright.
I figured.
Yeah, you're smart.
Remember, we're smarter than you, my boy.
Yeah, me know.
You're not smart in no way, shape, or form.